Why is everyone suddenly talking about weight loss injections? Like Ozempic, Mounjaro, Wegovy, Zepbound, and now something called as retatrutide. Some people are losing 15 to 20% of their body weight with these drugs. But what exactly are these injections? Are they diabetes medicines or weight loss medicine? And why are they suddenly becoming so popular in India? Let's break this down in the simplest possible way. If you have been researching weight loss injections in India, you have probably noticed something confusing. There are multiple names: Ozempic, Wegovy, Mounjaro, Zepbound, and now a new one in trials, right? Most people think these are completely different medicines. But the truth is, they all belong to a family of medications called GLP-1 drugs. And understanding that one concept makes everything else much clearer. Let's start with the most basic question. What is GLP-1? GLP-1 is actually a natural hormone that your body already produces. It is released in the intestines after you eat food, and it does four very important things. First, it tells the pancreas to release insulin when blood sugar rises. Second, it blocks another hormone called glucagon, which normally raises blood sugar. Third, it slows down how quickly food leaves your stomach. And fourth, it sends signal to the brain saying you are full, so stop eating now. Now imagine a medicine that copies this exact hormone. That's exactly what these injections do. This is where things become interesting. When GLP-1 signals increase in the body, several changes happen. People feel full faster, hunger decreases, cravings reduce, and digestion slows down. So instead of constantly thinking about food, many people report something surprising. They simply forget to snack. This is why some patients naturally start eating 300 to 500 fewer calories per day without forcing themselves. That's the mechanism behind the weight loss. It's not magic, it's hormone based appetite regulation. However, not all these injections work exactly the same way. Let's quickly compare the major ones people are searching for. Ozempic and Wegovy both contain the same ingredient. What's that ingredient? Semaglutide. These medicines activate only the GLP-1 receptor. Ozempic was originally developed for type 2 diabetes, but researchers noticed something unexpected. Patients were losing significant weight. So a higher dose version of semaglutide was created specifically for obesity, and that version is called Wegovy. On average, studies show people lose around 13 to 15% of their body weight with semaglutide. Now let's talk about the drug that many people are discussing recently and most of them are using as well. Mounjaro. Mounjaro contains tirzepatide, and this drug is slightly different. Instead of activating only one hormone pathway, it activates two: GLP-1 and GIP. Because of this dual mechanism, tirzepatide improves insulin sensitivity, fat metabolism, appetite control. In clinical trials, tirzepatide produced around 20% weight loss on an average. That's why many experts consider it more powerful than semaglutide. Zepbound is essentially the weight loss branded version of tirzepatide itself. Now there is another drug getting attention in research: retatrutide. This one activates three hormone pathways: GLP-1, GIP, and glucagon. Early studies show weight loss above 20%. But there's an important point. It is still in clinical trials, so it is not widely available yet. One thing many people report after starting GLP-1 injections is something called food noise disappearing. Constant thoughts about food reduce. Portions naturally become smaller. But there are also real challenges. During the first few weeks, many people experience nausea, constipation, mild stomach discomfort. These usually improve as the body adjusts, and diet plays a big role. For example, people eating very high carb Indian meals sometimes report more digestive issues. In India, these medicines are becoming increasingly popular. But there are three practical realities for us. First is cost. Depending on the drug and dose, monthly cost can range from roughly 8,000 to 25,000. Second, they require doctor supervision. these are prescription medicines. Third, they work best when combined with lifestyle changes, protein intake, walking, and sometimes strength training. Before we end this video, let's quickly clear up a few common myths about GLP-1 weight loss injections. The first myth is that these injections replace diet and exercise. That's not really true. These medications work best when they are combined with lifestyle changes like healthier eating, enough protein, and regular movement. Another myth is that anyone can take them, but in reality, doctors usually screen patients carefully before prescribing them. They look for certain medical conditions like a history of pancreatitis or specific thyroid issues to make sure the medication is safe. And the third myth is that once you lose the weight, the results are permanent. For many people, that's not how it works. These medications affect metabolism and appetite regulation. So if the treatment is stopped, weight regain can happen. That's why GLP-1 medications are often viewed not just as short-term weight loss tools, but as part of long-term metabolic treatment for people who need them. So here's the simple summary. GLP-1 drugs mimic natural hormones that control appetite. Semaglutide drugs like Ozempic and Wegovy activate only GLP-1. Tirzepatide drugs like Mounjaro and Zepbound activate GLP-1 plus GIP. And newer drugs like retatrutide may activate three hormone pathways, that is GLP-1, GIP, and glucagon. That's why these medicines are changing how obesity and metabolic health are treated. I'm curious about something. When you first heard about these injections, which one did you hear about first? Let me know in the comments. If you are researching GLP-1 medications in India, I am documenting my entire Mounjaro journey on this channel. Cost, side effects, weekly progress. You can explore the full playlist here. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.